Good morning. Today we're going to present an excellent innovation opportunity for RIM. As you all know, RIM has been facing some business challenges in recent years. We are proposing today to build a partnership with Facebook that will create jointly branded electronic products and services. The spirit of this venture will be a win-win strategy that is going to offer a new competitive market position for both companies. The agenda for the presentation shows first why there's a necessity for innovation for RIM. We developed an opportunity map and also fields of play. We did the selection criteria for the fields of play and the business concepts. And the last step is to recommend what should we do next. Now I'll leave you with Ronald.
A very important thing for us to address is just how important it is for RIM to innovate. You see, RIM has made a name for itself by producing a product that has been very useful for business professionals, and it became very popular. But as other companies have continued to innovate and create products such as the iPhone and the Android phones and Windows phones, it's becoming more and more difficult for the BlackBerry to compete. So in order for RIM to continue to survive as a company, in order for RIM to recapture that market share, RIM has to innovate not just technologically, but also with its marketing structure. The company needs to come up with a new product to sell and a new way to sell it. So what is our fundamental issue? That is, can Research in Motion reverse its trend of declining stock values and recapture market share within 2 years? And in beginning to answer that question, I will leave you with Meher.
Thank you, Ronald. Yes, definitely we can recapture the market in the next 2 years. RIM can utilize some opportunities in many dimensions of business out here, like introduce new product lines, new service portfolios, new marketing and financing strategy through partnerships, sale of telecommunication and services, development of market segments, sales through branded stores. And there can be an increased energy efficiency and environmental consciousness also. Built-in features that are not available in any of the smartphones. Like for business phones, you would need an office to input your PowerPoint, Excel, Word, and so on. So we're going to propose this. And also an increased market share through bundling of partnerships. And to talk about the fields of play that the mobile technology for RIM has to improve a lot where the hardware and the software is concerned. So we have to strengthen the values of the proposition through software features like Bloomberg, Excel, etc. like I said in my last time. And to move on to the lower cost business model through comprehensive revision of value of chain. And then we have multiply the consumer base through bundling of partnership with other specialized manufacturers, and to multiply with consumer base through partnership with internet firm also, and then to tap into new market with segments with specialized product. And I'll leave it to Andrea to explain further. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So after having identified the fields of play, we identify the selection criteria we will take into account in order to prioritize one of these fields of play. So some of the facts, some of the criteria we took into account was first the prospect for market share recovery, as well as the long-term value and viability of that specific field of play. We also identified and took into consideration the ability to generate synergies with existing resources and existing operations, the level of risk of that field of play and that business, the efficient use of the limited capital that RIM currently has, as well as the ability to capture market opportunities that have not yet been addressed by competitors. And lastly, the speed of implementation and results. So with that, we identified some options regarding internet companies that we could partner with to increase our consumer base. And these options are Yahoo, eBay, Walmart, which by the way has a huge platform for sales in internet. We have Facebook, Rakuten, and LinkedIn. And the idea would be to create a hardware with an operating system specific to the partner's online marketing structure. And with this, we selected Facebook, and Hai will talk a little bit more about this.
Thank you, Aria. Next, among many internet companies, why we suggest we choose Facebook, take a partnership with RIM because we create mutual benefits. Consider Facebook. Facebook will bring to RIM a successful brand. It's really a successful brand after the IPO. They got $100 billion US, and also Facebook have a global user base. They have a 1 billion user around the world. And with Facebook, a very famous company, we think we can easy to make the strategy marketing and many things. We can see Facebook can bring the significant financial strength. They have a lot of money after IPO, but now Facebook also got stuck in create the stream of revenue. A lot of shareholders want Facebook to create more revenue, and it's the money Facebook to bring to with RIM. RIM also bring to Facebook as the experience in manufacturing capability and resources. RIM also have a expertise in mobile sector, and RIM recognized global brand. Also the business market segment. Combine RIM with Facebook, we have the joint venture and we have the new business model. This business model, we can leverage the social network of Facebook and find new synergy. The new strategy will interact with the sales platform, and obviously both companies will create new stream revenue. Both companies, Facebook and RIM, the product could be smartphone, tablet, table, augmented reality product, or any other product. But next, Pamino will give the specification in the product.
Well, talking more in detail about this new product, we have recognized two main advantages. The first one is the utilization of a strong interconnected consumer base, while the second one is the creation of a new online marketing platform that will be fully integrated to this new device. We are thinking about something similar to what Kindle is for Amazon. This online platform will have a specialized operative system that will enhance the interoperability with the Facebook social network. In the end, we can take advantage from the huge amount of information in the user account of Facebook, using them to maximize the effectiveness of this marketing platform, and including also the information coming from the GPS data. Finally, we are going to briefly give a list of the next steps that we see for this business innovation. The first one is to negotiate an investment agreement between Facebook and RIM. The second one is the creation of the product concept. The third one is the development of a software jointly between Facebook and RIM. And at the end, there will be the positioning of the new product that we have called FaceBerry. That's all. Thank you for your attention.